From breaking records as the world's strongest man to dominating the WWE ring, Mark Henry's journey is one of unparalleled strength and determination. Strength isn't just measured in the gym or the ring. It's also found in the way Mark Henry lives behind the doors of his lavish Texas estate. Discover a world of luxury, rare cars, and family warmth. In 2025, Mark Henry's life is a blend of championship legacy, refined taste, and genuine moments with those who matter most. Mark Henry's journey from strength to success. Mark Henry's path is a true testament to resilience and determination. Starting as a record-breaking powerlifter, he quickly became a household name in professional wrestling. His career evolved far beyond the ring, branching into media, motivational speaking, and business ventures. Henry's ability to reinvent himself has kept him relevant for decades. He's respected for both his physical power and his strategic mindset, earning admiration from fans and peers alike. Today, Mark Henry stands as a symbol of what's possible when talent meets hard work and adaptability. His journey is not just about titles, but about building a legacy that spans sports, entertainment, and philanthropy. Mark Henry's early life and family background. Born in Silsbee, Texas, Mark Henry grew up in a family known for extraordinary strength. Raised by his mother, Barbara, after losing his father at age 12, Mark learned perseverance early. His great-uncle Chud was legendary in East Texas for his size and power. Setting a family standard, Mark faced challenges, including dyslexia, but found support through family and mentors. Inspired by wrestling icons like Andre the Giant, he developed a passion for strength sports. By high school, Mark was already setting records in weightlifting thanks to encouragement from his mother and the influence of his tight-knit family who valued both hard work and loyalty. Rise to fame. Mark Henry's athletic ascent began with Olympic weightlifting, representing the United States at the 1992 and 1996 Games. He captured multiple medals at the Pan American Games and was crowned champion across North America, Central America, and the Caribbean. Transitioning to professional wrestling, Henry joined WWE in 1996, becoming a fan favorite with personas like Sexual Chocolate. He claimed major titles, including the ECW Championship and the World Heavyweight Championship. After over 2 decades in the ring, Henry retired as one of wrestling's most respected figures, later contributing as a commentator, trainer, and mentor, further cementing his legacy in the industry. Mark Henry's net worth and income sources in 2025. By 2025, Mark Henry's estimated net worth stands at over $4.5 million, built through a combination of athletic achievements and smart investments. His WWE contracts, performance bonuses, and merchandise royalties form the foundation of his wealth. Post-retirement, he earned nearly $900,000 annually, a commentator and trainer for AEW. Henry's portfolio expanded with endorsement deals from fitness brands, appearances in films, and hosting a popular radio show. He also commands high fees as a motivational speaker. Strategic real estate investments, including luxury properties in Texas, have further increased his financial stability, allowing him to enjoy a life of comfort and sophistication. Inside Mark Henry's current Texas home, Mark Henry's current Austin estate is the epitome of modern luxury. Spanning nearly 5,000 square feet and valued close to $2 million, nestled in a gated community with exclusive access to Lake Austin, the property offers privacy and tranquility. The home features a sparkling pool and spa, a fully renovated guest house, and a chef's kitchen with top-tier Volf appliances. Inside, hickory hardwood floors and sleek cabinetry create a warm, elegant atmosphere. Energy efficiency ensured with a new metal roof and advanced HVAC systems. The estate's thoughtful design, premium finishes, and spacious layout make it a true sanctuary for relaxation and entertaining. Hold on a second. What feature would you add to a dream home like Mark Henry's Texas estate? Let me know in the comments. Mark Henry's previous Austin mansion. Before his current estate, Mark Henry owned a stunning Austin mansion, valued at approximately $1.3 million. This home featured a spacious layout with elegant touches like a grand fireplace and custom woodwork. The property included a resort-style backyard with a large pool perfect for entertaining guests. Located in a prestigious neighborhood, it offered both privacy and convenience. The mansion reflected Henry's appreciation for classic design blended with modern comforts. Selling this property allowed him to upgrade to his current luxurious estate, marking a significant step in his evolving lifestyle and real estate portfolio in Texas. Car collection. Mark Henry's car collection showcases his preference for luxury and performance vehicles. His garage includes high-end models such as a sleek Tesla for eco-friendly drives and a powerful Dodge Charger symbolizing muscle and speed. He also owns a classic Ford Mustang reflecting his appreciation for American automotive heritage. Each vehicle is meticulously maintained, highlighting his attention to detail. Henry's collection balances practicality with style, allowing him to enjoy both city cruising and spirited drives. His passion for cars complements his larger-than-life persona, blending power and elegance both on and off the road. Wife Jonna Perry and their 2 children. Mark Henry shares a close-knit family life with his wife Jonna Perry and their 2 children. The couple prioritizes privacy and quality time, often enjoying outdoor activities and family gatherings. Jonna supports Henry's career and philanthropic efforts, creating a strong partnership built on mutual respect. Their children are raised with values of hard work and humility inspired by their father's journey. Family milestones and celebrations remain central to Henry's life, grounding him amid his busy schedule. The warmth and unity within their household reflect a balance between public success and personal fulfillment. Mark Henry's lifestyle, hobbies, interests, and daily routine in 2025. In 2025, Mark Henry's lifestyle balances fitness, family, and personal growth. His daily routine includes strength training sessions, maintaining the discipline that built his career. He enjoys reading motivational literature and engaging in faith-based activities. Henry dedicates time to mentoring young athletes and participating in community events. Leisure moments often involve relaxing by his pool or exploring Texas's natural beauty with his family. His interests also extend to music and classic cars, reflecting a well-rounded personality. This balanced lifestyle supports both physical health and mental well-being, allowing Henry to thrive as a respected figure inside and outside the spotlight. Before we move on, which part of Mark Henry's lifestyle do you find most impressive? Drop your answer in the comments. Mark Henry's story proves that true strength goes far beyond the ring. With a life built on family, philanthropy, and refined taste, he continues to inspire in 2025. For more exclusive looks into the world of luxury and legends, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for the next journey into greatness. Thanks for watching.